Hello, in this video we are going to see how to install Python using Visual Studio Code. For that, first you need to open your favorite browser and navigate to the download link given in the description box. Click on the download button depending on your operating system. It will download the executable file. Click on the file and execute the file. Accept the terms and conditions. Click on the next button and follow along. Once installation completes, click on the Finish. This will launch the application. To install Python, click on the Extensions menu. Install Python and Jupyter. If you are not able to view it in the Extensions menu, try searching it in the search box. Once installation completes, navigate to the Explorer and select the folder to save your work. I will be selecting Python Labs on my desktop. Click on the plus icon to create a file. I will name it as demo.ipynb. I'll write a print program and click here to execute. You are now all set to work on your Python using Visual Studio Code. Happy coding!